got me moving in a manner the way that I walk. Vivid dreams with some of those crazy calls. The rapid pain inside of me and the way that I talk. The time I was lost, let's forget those devious thoughts. Retrace back to those envious thoughts. Sit back with a long pause and reminisce on what was lost. You had a fight to endure, how can you forget about your dogs? Niggas that reflects, I hang out with outlaws. I'm closer to Swiper than I am to Santa Claus. Straight annihilator, nigga. I rolled in the midst of two triggers. Money ain't made me, but I feel bigger. Throw out the trash and get rid of them niggas. I always knew they was some shaking niggas. I'd rather be counting figures than trying to sidekick a nigga. Can you paint the bigger picture? Open up your mind and digest the liquor. They was selling shit that look like cat litter on the block, and they spend a 9. When you get a motherfucker aiming at you with a 9, when you bust back and do the time. I didn't do that with him because I knew he was lying, and most of these niggas be trying. Pray to God before I'm ever crying. Diamond trying to leave you blind. I'm in black and white like a mime. I'm always bad with time, but I'm good with a grind. So let me shine. Put them haters away at the time. If you must, keep a 9. Don't let a bitch nigga take your niggas and dimes. Can you forget it, nigga? This life might just be for the crime. Yes, I pop it and shine. I met your hairline. I chase after the mill like a lion. They say they be getting money, but they be lying. Yeah, they be lying. They go escort with a perfect time. For the end though, I feel like I'm flying. You can get at me, but all you be doing is trying. And I smoke it, I just go. Don't get caught inside this scope with niggas that don't let go. I bust at the opposition, I don't have too many foes. And I'm busting the foes on my woes, on my woes. Foes on my woes, on my woes, on my woes. Foes 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 on my woes, foes on my woes, on my woes. Foes on my woes, foes on my woes, foes on my woes, foes on my woes, on my woes. Foes on my woes at time. I had to learn how they go. Get medicated with Edgerton. Never been no one's hero, a feeling like Debo. I play the game like a pro, I may shoot it like a arrow. I've been 10 toes, you reap what you sow, you reap what you sow. How like a ego, I'm in blade like a widow. In a trance and I'm in my pose. A couple blunts and a couple hoes. Turn sour on my memos as I reach out the door. Foes on my woes, foes on my woes, foes on my woes, foes on my woes, foes on my woes. I'm like a long ego, long warrior looking for those people. I am my foes on my woes. Get deep into the tempo and just let go. Spaced out and I'm in my zone. I can't sound fake or be a clown. I can't be left alone. I put my words into a styrofoam. Gangsta far from home. I'ma just hold on. I'm like an ego, long warrior looking for those people. I am my foes on my woes. Get deep into the tempo and just let go. Spaced out and I'm in my zone. I can't sound fake or be a clown. I can't be left alone. I put my words into a styrofoam. Gangsta far from home.